Hi.
I'm Kelly.
And I'm Connor. And welcome back to our channel.
If you're new, thank you for being here.
And if you're returning, welcome back.
Yeah, so this is vlog week number 11.
I know.
And
that's with a 2-week break. That's crazy.
Yeah. And we are in a different location, as you can see.
Yes, we are in New York again. Well, you guys have seen it before if you've watched the previous vlog, so it's not like completely new, but...
Yeah, but new to some people, I'm sure.
Yeah.
So we're in New York visiting Connor's family.
Yeah.
We made like a last minute decision that we just wanted to spend the last 2 weeks of summer vacation in New York.
Yeah.
Just relaxing and hanging out with family over here.
And to clarify, it's Monday. It's not Sunday when we normally start them because we drove all day yesterday and then we like got here and we took a nap and we just hung out with my parents for a few hours and then went back to bed.
Yeah, and we're kind of like all over the place, so like with times and like scheduling. So I apologize that last week's weekly vlog went up a day late.
Yeah,
it went up on it's going up today on Monday instead of yesterday because yesterday I like literally didn't edit it until last night.
Yeah, like 10 o'clock Sunday night.
So, and we have to like still edit some of it and put it up. Like edit the like transitions into it and then put it up.
Yeah.
So it's going up today, but probably later today. Which I feel bad because now my schedule's all off, but...
We'll get back to it.
Yeah.
This will go up on a Sunday.
Yeah, for sure. Next Sunday.
Yeah.
We'll show you what we get into this week.
Yeah, we will.
It should be a good week. Usually when we're here, we just like relax a lot.
A lot of good food that we'll show you.
Yeah, we'll show you. That's probably all this vlog's gonna be is food.
So if you like food, stay tuned.
Because Connor's mom loves to cook and we love to eat her food. So.
Yeah. One of the deers came looking for food, so I'm gonna give her some corn. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. You can see her, she's out there right now. You want some? It's okay. She's in the shade, I don't know if you can see her. It's alright, Mama, it's alright. We don't have a lot of corn left because this morning my mom bought more corn and the bear found the bag before we could dump it in the bin, so the bear came and stole the bag of corn. It's alright, go ahead. Oh look, there's a boy deer coming too, a young. It's okay. See if there's enough for the other table. It's okay. It's alright. I have more. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. I have more. I'm gonna put some on this table. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. Don't run. You'll hurt yourself. Here, look. Look. Go ahead. You're alright. Go ahead. Oh, there's a third one. It's a good thing I put corn on both tables. Go ahead, guys. Eat. It doesn't look that close on camera, but I'm like maybe 10 feet, 20 feet, 15 maybe. You guys enjoy your food. But yeah. I'm just like low-key Snow White. It's cool.
So for dinner we are eating pulled pork and oven roasted potatoes. And Connor is having like
veggie
vegetarian chicken with Asian zesty sauce.
Yeah.
And it's really hot.
Yeah. I'll show you guys it in a minute. So here is the chicken. It's got, I think it's Buffalo Wild Wings Asian zest sauce. And
Asian zinger.
Asian zinger. It's really good. I tried some of the sauce at the top, but it's good. Hi guys.
Hi.
It is Wednesday, August 14th.
Yep. So we've just been like hanging out today. We watched some of
Once Upon a Time.
Yeah, we started that on Netflix. I mean, I think it was on like ABC originally. We had Chinese food for dinner.
We fed the deer again.
Yeah, but you guys have seen that.
Yeah. That's it really, we're just kind of hanging out.
So we, I wanted to show you real quick because I got 2 pairs of jeans in the mail.
Yeah.
And I know you guys are probably like, well, you don't live there. Why is there jeans coming to?
Well, we planned ahead, so we had them shipped here.
Last week I ordered a pair of jeans from American Eagle and they came, but it was like somebody else's order.
Yeah, there was like someone else's name on
like
it.
Inside.
It was like, thank you, so-and-so.
But like the outside one was right.
Yeah, it was addressed to us.
But the other one wasn't, and I'm supposed to ship those back, so I'm gonna get home after ship them back. But,
Yeah.
yeah, it was like a completely wrong order. So yeah, I reordered the jeans that I wanted to get.
And had them sent here?
Just because I knew we were gonna be here and I didn't want them to like sit outside at our house.
Yeah.
So I'll show you those real quick. This is the first time I'm seeing them too.
They look just real dark on camera.
Oh yeah.
These are
These
the
are
black.
just like black. And they have like that paper bag waist, like it's ruffled.
Yeah, like there's
So,
stitching.
but they're just like mom jeans.
Yeah.
They look like real wide in the light, but
I think isn't that how mom jeans are supposed to be?
yeah. And then these ones are cute because like there's like I like the bottom, but also like the distressing isn't like real distressing. It's just like there's like material behind it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like they just like added distressing over top of the jean.
Yeah, and they're both like the mom jeans, so I'll let you guys know how I like them. I'm probably gonna
These ones
wear them.
don't have the paper bag though, right?
No. I'm gonna feel them though. Do they feel like real jeans? These are super soft.
These are a little bit more jeany.
Black ones are a little bit more jean. These ones are super soft.
Like, they've been worn, you know, like.
Yeah, and like they look like they're gonna be real high waisted, so like I'm really excited.
Yeah.
But let me read the tab. One of them's like super curvy.
These are the curvy mom jean.
Okay,
And
and
then
those
these
are just
are-
the mom jean.
Oh yeah, so yeah, these are the curvy.
Those are curvy mom jean. The black ones are just the mom jean. So I don't know. I'll let you guys know how I like them. They look like they're gonna be like winners.
Yeah.
And I got the short length, which I think will be really good because typically Connor's mom has to crop my jeans.
Because Kelly's only like 5 foot.
Yes, yeah. I think 5 foot is me being generous. Morning.
Good morning.
Today is Thursday, August 15th.
Yep. It is Kelly's sister and my niece's birthday today.
Yeah, happy birthday, Katie.
Happy birthday, Kristen.
But we are going to Burger King because there is one in Connor's very small town.
It's the only fast food, like, well, no, there's a Dunkin' Donuts now.
Yeah, it's Dunkin' Donuts and that one are the only two in the area.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go there and get everybody an Impossible Whopper because we've been like wanting his mom to try it because she's also a vegetarian.
Yeah, and my dad said he'd try it too, so.
Yeah, which I mean it's good for everybody.
Yeah.
Like vegetarian, non-vegetarian, vegan, like it's delicious. I think the only thing you have to do to make it vegan is take off the mayonnaise.
And the bun, probably.
No.
No, the bun is vegan?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Maybe
Check
not.
that before you buy it, because
Yeah,
we're not
I
like...
saw that online that you just have to take off the mayonnaise.
Oh, okay.
But that's also Facebook, so I'm not sure if...
There might be a lie.
Yeah. we're gonna go there, and then we're gonna come back and have everyone try them.
Yeah, so we will.
Probably won't get their reactions on camera. They don't really like to be on camera.
No.
But we'll tell you how they liked it.
Yeah.
And we have Bailey with us because she wanted to go for a car ride.
Bailey, say hi. Say hi, look. Hi.
So everyone liked them.
Yeah.
They said that, like...
It was a success.
Yeah, and his dad said that he didn't know, like, if you had them side by side, if you would be able to pick out, like, the original one.
Yeah.
I think that I would be able to just because I think the patty of the meat is a little bit thicker.
Yeah, the real meat.
Yeah. But they taste the exact same.
It's the future of vegetarian eating. I'm trying to get footage of the bear for you guys. It's a mom and 3 cubs, and then there's like a big male whose face is all scarred up. But I don't know, they haven't shown up yet, so we will.
Well, they did show up one day, but we couldn't.
Yeah, by the time I made it to the door with the camera, they were gone.
Yeah. But we're trying.
Yeah, we are.
We got 2 weeks to do it.
Yeah. Hi, Bailey. Hi.
You're not gonna say it's me?
Hi, Kelly. Hi. So my mom is making like an ice cream pie. It's got like a cookie crust. She made it from chocolate chip cookies and rainbow sugar cookies. And then it's vanilla ice cream and then a Nutella drizzle over the top. It has to set, otherwise I would be eating it right now because it looks really good. But we'll let you know how it is later.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Today is August 16th. It's Friday.
Yes.
And we are gonna go take Bailey to the park. Did I say the magic word? Yeah, I did. You're right. We're going.
Yeah, so we're gonna run to the park. We figured we would take you guys along with us. We showed you this park in the last time we were here. It's just such a pretty park that we figured, you know, we could show you again. But yeah, we're gonna head over there.
Yeah, before she eats my face alive.
Yeah. So we made it. We're on the trail now.
Yeah. Park is like really beautiful. We showed you some of the mountains. It's like surrounded by mountains, kind of like on the other side. And there's like a nice walking trail. So we can take Bailey for a little walk. I mean, it's not a little walk. It's kind of like, probably like a mile.
I think so. We should check this. We should have checked the sign when we came in. It tells you how long.
Yeah. I think it's like a mile or so.
Yeah. I think the short trail is a mile. The other one is a mile and a half, maybe?
Oh.
I don't know. I could be making that up.
I don't know. We'll check the sign. I'm sure there'll be another one somewhere. Oh yeah, Bailey's excited.
Yeah.
I wish her friend Quinn could come with us, but Quinn wasn't feeling good today.
No, she's on antibiotics. Yeah.
So she's on antibiotics, and I think that...
They're just like taking it out of her.
Yeah, because she's just like really sleepy today.
Yeah.
So... Well, we will show you some of our walks.
Yeah.
We just saw another golden doodle, and I wanted her and Bailey to be friends, but her was very short.
Yeah.
She was like, sit, sit.
Well, he had another dog with him, and that dog didn't seem so friendly. The golden doodle seemed really friendly, but...
Yeah, the golden doodle was just kind of like chilling. The other dog like wanted to eat Bailey. So.
Yeah.
I get it.
Somebody left their corn toy.
think it's like a teaser.
Yeah. Yeah, it's one of those things that once it hits the ground, you might as well leave it. I mean, you should probably pick it up and throw it away, but...
This park is nice because they have like all these little workout stations around it.
Yeah, we showed you... I think this is the one we showed you guys last time.
Yeah, probably. But like, I don't know, and they show you how to do them, and they show you like different stages, like if you're a beginner or if like you know what you're doing.
Or just like they have like first day, second day, third day, yeah, and then they have like advanced or basic or whatever.
So I don't know.
And they have lots of benches too, so like if you're, you know, like not used to walking, you have places to sit and stop.
Or even if you just want to like watch nature.
Yeah, or have lunch. We think
we're gonna do that next week. We're gonna go get bagels and coffee, and then come here in the morning and take Bailey on a walk.
Yeah.
Because if you haven't had a New York bagel, you haven't eaten bagels.
I know everyone raves about New York pizza, and I love New York pizza, but New York bagels, like, it's nothing like the things you can buy from the store. Like, you have to go to like an actual bagel place, and it's like a whole new experience.
Yeah, like a deli. They call them, right? Delis?
See, delis have them, but like seeing these like in...
That's just a bagel place?
Yeah, it's like a local bagel chain.
Oh. But yeah, they have like little bagel places or like delis where you can get like really good sandwiches and stuff. And like you can't get those in Ohio. Like there's no place you could just go and get bagels except for like that like Einstein's bagels. I think we have one. But it's not the same because like...
Yeah, there's something in like the New York water. The nice thing about this park too is that they have like every kind of sports field. Like they have, obviously right here is a football field, like a full size like kids football field. But then they have in each corner, like in opposite corners, like right here, they have a baseball field, and then they have one over there too, like a diamond. And then up here they have 2 basketball courts. And then like in the beginning, when we passed, they have like 2 or 3 soccer fields. So there's...
Like huge
yeah.
fields. Is this where most of like the school sports in Vernon are?
I don't think so.
No?
No. They have their own football field, I know that.
Oh.
And I think a baseball diamond at the high school. I don't know, I think this is probably all like rec leagues. So we've hit the 1 mile marker. So our car is parked over there, the white van. And then we go all the way back there. And then you go around through the forest where we showed you. You come out there, come around, past the basketball courts, and then down here. And then there's the 1 mile marker. So we'll have done like a little bit more than a mile.
And what is this park called?
This is the Maple Grange Park. I don't know if there's like a full name, like after Maple Grange.
What city is it?
This is Vernon, New Jersey.
Vernon, New Jersey.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you didn't know, like we're visiting Connor's parents in New York, but where his parents live, it's like literally like a minute to New Jersey.
Yeah, they're like right on the New York-New Jersey border.
Yeah. They're kind of in like the perfect location because they're on that border, but then they're also like 45 minutes out of the city.
Yeah, and 45 minutes from Pennsylvania.
Yeah, so it's kind of like the perfect location, I think, in New York.
Yeah.
But
they call it the tri-state area because it's where New York, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey all meet.
I think Bailey's over it. She's going somewhere.
Yeah, she's panting. We have a bottle of water in the car for you, don't worry.
Yeah, we're gonna go get her some water and then we are going to head home.
Yep.
We are making, well, we're not making.
We're assisting.
Cookie bars.
And they're salted caramel cookie bars?
Yeah. You want to get the package and you can just show them. It's on the recipe's on the back of.
Yeah. The recipe's on the back, but my niece requested them because we're doing like her birthday celebration tomorrow.
Okay.
And then...
Probably too small to see on camera, but...
yeah. Sea salt caramel chocolate chip cookies.
But instead of cookies, making like a cookie bar.
Yeah, like on a sheet pan. these are the finished, or this is the finished product. It'll get like sliced up and then it'll be in little bars. It smells really good. It smells kind of like a brownie.
She may feed them. I like the corn ones the best. I do on brownies too though. They get like a little crispy like.
Yeah, a little
edge.
bit more cooked.
Yeah.
But I have crazy hair.
I think that's it for week number 11.
Yeah. We will see you guys next week, and thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to see all of our future videos, or just to follow what we're doing on here.
Yeah.
And our Instagram and Twitter is always linked at the end of the video and down in the description box.
Yeah. So you can follow us there. We use Instagram a lot more than we do Twitter.
Yeah, I like to post on Instagram like daily or every other day, so you can keep up like more in like the real time what we're doing.
Yeah, we will.
We'll see you next time.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.